In the latter half of the 20th century, the world found itself intertwined in an unprecedented web of connections, heralding the dawn of globalization. This era, marked by the rapid exchange of goods, ideas, and people, was a double-edged sword, promising both prosperity and peril. First, let us journey to the bustling ports of New York City, where colossal ships docked, their holds filled with goods from distant lands. The air was thick with the scent of exotic spices, and the streets resounded with the laughter of merchants and the clamor of commerce. This was the essence of globalization's promise, the opportunity to share and benefit from the world's collective wealth. However, amidst this celebration of interconnectedness, there emerged a shadowy underbelly. In the slums of Mumbai, child laborers toiled for pennies, their young hands stained with the sweat and grime of the textile mills. In the hills of Chiapas, indigenous communities were dispossessed of their land, their ancient ways of life upended by the insatiable demand for resources. The globalization juggernaut, fueled by the pursuit of profit, trampled over the rights and dignity of the marginalized, leaving a trail of displacement and exploitation in its wake. Yet, even in the face of such injustice, there were those who refused to be silenced. In the streets of Seattle, protesters clashed with police, their voices echoing a call for fair trade and environmental responsibility. In the halls of power, activists lobbied for the rights of the oppressed, demanding a more equitable world. And in the homes of the dispossessed, the fires of resistance burned bright, fueled by the dream of a global community that valued all its members. As we stand at the threshold of a new era, let us remember the lessons of the past. Globalization, like all powerful forces, holds within it the seeds of both progress and peril. It is up to us to shape its course, to ensure that it serves not just the powerful and the privileged, but all the peoples of the world. For in the end, the story of globalization is not just a tale of goods and services, but a story of human connection and cooperation. It is a story of our shared destiny, bound together in a web of interdependence that transcends borders and unites us all. And it is a story that, like all great narratives, is still being written each day by us.